Going to work and communicating in English can be challenging if you are not familiar with common office phrases. In this lesson, we will practice workplace English. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will feel in a professional environment. Let's begin. It is 7 a.m. and my alarm clock rings. I wake up, stretch, and check my phone. I have a busy day ahead. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and get dressed. I choose professional clothes because I have meetings today. I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. I make toast, eggs, and coffee. While eating, I check my emails on my phone. Some emails are from my boss and others are from clients. I make a mental note to reply to them when I get to the office. I grab my bag and leave the house. I take the subway to work. On the train, I see people reading, using their phones, or listening to music. I prefer to listen to a podcast about business and productivity. I arrive at my office building at 8:45 a.m. I take the elevator to the 10th floor. I greet the receptionist and walk to my desk. I turn on my computer and get ready for the day. The first thing I do is check my emails. I open my inbox and read the most urgent messages. One email is from my manager. It says, "Please prepare a report on our latest sales figures. We will discuss it in the afternoon meeting." I reply, "Sure, I will have it ready before the meeting. Thank you." Another email is from a client. She has some questions about a project. I write a polite response, thanking her for reaching out and promising to send more details soon. After checking my emails, I write my to-do list for the day. Prioritizing tasks is very important. In a busy office environment, I highlight the most urgent tasks and start working on them. At 10 a.m., we have a team meeting. Everyone gathers in the conference room. My manager starts the meeting by saying, "Good morning, everyone. Today, we will review our progress on the new project." Let's start with updates. My colleague Sarah speaks first. "We have completed the first phase of the project. We are now working on the second phase." Then, it's my turn. I say, "I have analyzed the sales data, and I will present my report this afternoon. I will also follow up with the client about their questions." My manager nods and says, "Great. Keep up the good work." After the meeting, I go back to my desk and continue working. At 12:30 p.m., it's time for lunch. My colleagues and I go to a cafe near the office. While waiting in line, we talk about our weekend plans. I say, "I'm planning to go hiking on Saturday. What about you?" Sarah replies, "That sounds great. I'm going to visit my family." When it's my turn to order, I say, "I'll have a chicken sandwich and an iced coffee, please." We sit at a table and enjoy our lunch. We talk about work, but we also discuss movies, travel, and hobbies. It's important to build good relationships with colleagues as it makes the work environment more enjoyable. After lunch, we walk back to the office. Back at my desk, I start working on my sales report. I open Excel and analyze the numbers. Numbers and data are important in business, so knowing basic phrases to describe them is useful. I write, "Our sales increased by 15% in the last quarter. The best-selling product was our new software package." I add a few charts and graphs to make the report clear. Visual data helps people understand information quickly. After reviewing the report, I send it to my manager with a short email. "Hello, I have completed the sales report. Please let me know if you need any changes. Best regards." At 3 p.m., I have a call with a client. I take a deep breath and make sure I sound professional and polite. I say, Hello, this is Alex from ABC Corporation. How can I help you today? The client says, "Hi, Alex. I have some questions about your service packages." I respond, "Of course. I'd be happy to help. Could you please tell me more about your needs?" The client explains her requirements. I listen carefully and take notes. Then I suggest the best solution for her. At the end of the call, I say, "Thank you for your time. I will send you a detailed proposal by tomorrow." The client replies, "That sounds great. I look forward to it." I hang up and write a summary of the conversation. Good communication is key in business. Always be clear, professional, and polite. At 5 o'clock p.m., the workday is almost over. I check my to-do list and cross off the completed tasks. I send a few final emails and organize my desk. Before leaving, my manager walks by and says, "Good job today, Alex. Thanks for your hard work." I smile and say, "Thank you. See you tomorrow." I take my bag and walk out of the office. The sun is setting, and the city looks beautiful. It was a productive day. If you work in an office or want to improve your business English, here are some tips. 1. Learn common office phrases. Practice how to greet colleagues, ask for help, and give updates. 2. Practice emails and reports. Writing professionally is important in any workplace. 3. Listen to business conversations. Podcasts, videos, and meetings can help you learn formal language. 4. Speak with confidence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better you will become. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep learning and improving your English. See you in the next lesson.